Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about something close to my heart. Yes, every day I talk about something close to my heart. This is really close to my heart. This is dream again, mom. Yes, yes, dream again, mom. Today I am going to talk about dream again. Yes, mom, you heard it right. It's time to dream again. Not for your kids, not for your husband, not for your family also. Just for you, but for you. You know, I always say, but and I always realize that we moms are like Wi-Fi. When we are full charged, everyone in the family happy, connected and happy. And when we are on low battery, oh my god, the whole house goes to offline. Am I right? If I am I right, please comment below. Yes. Comment in the chat box. Yes. We moms keep dreaming for others. My son will be a doctor, my daughter will be a scientist. But what about our dream? What about our dream? This cleaning, cleaning room, cleaning clothes, etc. These are our dream. I think this is not. In India, sometimes celebrating girl's birthday feels like a crime. Even we forget our birthday. Am I right? Isn't it? Between packing tiffin box, between packing clothes, our dream also packed in the trunk. But but one time we were women and we have the wings. And you know what? Also today also we have the wings. And so little dusty. We have to clean the dust and fly again. Okay, you just you just clean the dust and fly again. Am I right? Is it is not selfish. It is just self-care. Yes, it is just self-care. Maybe you want to be start a small business or learn guitar, dance. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel like me. Don't just watch others come back. Create your own because mom's life does not with a pause button. Your kids do not need perfect mom. Only they need a happy mom. Yes, I am right. So dust off those dreams, tie your messy bun, and grab a cup of tea, cup of coffee, and say it loud with me. I am not just, I am not done yet. The best chapter of my story is being written. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. And if this touched your heart, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And let's dream again, mom. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video.